3 years ago, something truly incredible happened on another planet. A small 4-pound helicopter named Ingenuity lifted off from the Martian surface and made history. But where is Ingenuity now? What happened to it? And why was this little helicopter such a big deal? Let's dive into the story of first aircraft to even fly on another world. When NASA launched the Perseverance rover to Mars in July 2020, tucked underneath it was an experiment, a teeny helicopter called Ingenuity. Ingenuity wasn't even the main mission, it was a considered a tech demo. NASA wanted to test if control flight was even possible on the Mars thin surface, thin atmosphere, which is less than 1% density of Earth's. No one was sure it would even get off the ground. But on April 19, 2021, history was made. For the first time, a powered aircraft flew on another planet. It hovered for just 39 seconds, but it changed the game forever. Ingenuity was only supposed to fly 5 times over 30 days, just a quick test. But it kept flying and flying and flying. NASA extended its mission again and again, using Ingenuity to scout ahead for the Perseverance rover, mapping terrains, finding safe paths, and even spotting scientist targets. In total, it completed 72 successful flights, traveled over 17 kilometers, and logged over 2 hours of flight time in Mars' harsh environment. It survived dust storm, freezing nights, and technical glitch. The little helicopter that could just keep going. But in January 2024, during Flight 72, Ingenuity suffered a hard landing. One or more rotor blades were damaged badly. At first, NASA hoped it was a glitch, but when Perseverance rolled closer and took a picture, it confirmed the roast. The helicopter could not fly longer. On January 25, 2024, NASA officially ended this mission. The helicopter could no longer fly. On January 25, 2024, NASA officially ended this mission. It wasn't failure, it was a farewell. Today, Ingenuity rests peacefully in a region called Valley of Ancient Hunter, deep inside Jezero Crater. This final resting place lies not far from where it first took flight. It's not operational anymore, but it's not forgotten either. It's not a permanent part of the Martian landscape. And it's still serving a purpose. Perseverance is expected to revisit the site and may capture more images as a tribute to little flying partners. Ingenuity wasn't just a helicopter, it was a pioneer. It proved that the flight on another planet is possible.